This might sound weird, but I did not want to like this product as much as I do. I don't know why either, because if you guys follow me on Patreon, where I post every single day, I talk about Paula's Choice and the line, a lot, recommend, and I use, and I keep on buying a lot of their products. This one is kind of pricey, and I think I didn't want to like it just because of how low of a percentage of vitamin C it is. Like, it's only 15%. If you guys, again, follow me on Patreon, I've made my own serums, 20%, 30%, like just higher percentages. So like to me, it's like, oh gosh, it's only 15, and it's the same with like Drunk Elephant. Drunk Elephant's like $80. It's only 15%, but this really, really, really wowed me. I want to say I used to buy Drunk Elephant a lot too, and I would use that for like as a body serum. I want to say that I like this. I think it's called C15 Boost. I like this one better even than the Drunk Elephant. Is it going to be as strong as making it yourself? Like, no, of course not. But like it freaking works. Last week I made a video just talking about like the overnight glow, and I've been experimenting with it for an entire week, just trying to figure out like what products were like the absolute must for it, and if I could get away with like, maybe not using all three. And it does look like the C15 is a big component, but you still have to buy the Rocher-Posay. You still have to buy like their toner, the one with like the glycolic acid and salicylic acid. That as like, and I used a toner all over my body, like it's a full body toner. If you use that and then you do the C15 with their triple repair moisturizer, holy crap, it's like chef's kiss. I don't know, like, okay, this is the good and this is the bad of this C15 moisturizer, or not moisturizer, vitamin C drops. Basically, you only have to use a couple drops. So it's like, yeah, it's $55, but you don't have to use that much of it. Obviously, if you want to make your own vitamin C, do it. But you have to like remake it every 2 weeks because it oxidizes. And there's a lot of products that we buy that are on the market that are already oxidized too. So it's like, either make it fresh and always know just like how strong your vitamin C is, and obviously be able to get stronger vitamin C if you're trying to brighten and lighten faster, or you run the risk of like using some of these brands. The thing I don't like about the C15, I hate the smell. If you wear it overnight, like there's just like this weird metallic smell that you'll get. So I guess it's better actually to wear it overnight than it is to wear it during the day and then smell that smell all day. I try to mix it with the EOS, the vanilla cashmere. That lotion has a freaking chokehold on me. That is my new favorite. I freaking love that stuff. I wish it came in a bigger bottle, but for $8, I'm not complaining. It's very hydrating. It smells amazing. So yeah, if I'm wearing the C15 Boost all over my body during the day, I try to like layer on that lotion just so you don't smell it. But if you're using the C15 all over your body, which I mean for best results, I would say just wear it overnight so then you don't have to worry about like smelling that smell all day. It's the same thing if you make your own vitamin C. Sometimes there will be like, a slight smell. You do have to worry about like your bed sheets, have old bed sheets, because it can leave bleaching stains. And it's the same thing if you're doing the DIY. If you wanted to do like DIY vitamin C serum, just follow me on Patreon. It's on there. If not, then the C15 Boost, obviously that works too. But it does like, it will like bleach some of your stuff too. Like I have a white t-shirt and I got some of the droplets on it and it's like, it's ruined. It turns it like a orangey red. So it is what it is. But yeah, I hate that I love it. Oh, okay. So another thing that I hate about the C15, yes, it does work. Yes, it does work better than Drunk Elephant. It's actually C15. It's vitamin C and ferulic acid. Ferulic acid makes the vitamin C more stable. I did not know this. This is a recent thing that I'm learning. Makes it more stable because the C15 is not in an airtight jar. One of the biggest ripoffs of vitamin C, and it kind of tells you like, how fast your vitamin C will oxidize, is if it's not in an airtight jar. So anything in a droplet, obviously as soon as you unscrew that droplet head, it's no longer airtight. So that's why the Drunken Elephant, yes, it's $80, but at least it comes in a container that's absolutely airtight. Also, anything with like an opaque jar, if these jars are see-through, like sunlight, like that also oxidizes it faster. So obviously C15 Boost, it's not opaque. The jar, you can't see through it, but it isn't like airtight like the Drunken Elephant one. But I think since it has the ferulic acid, that's probably why it has not oxidized on me yet. I want to say I've had it 3 weeks to a month now, so we'll see. Another thing is, you guys didn't know this, you can use vitamin C in your hair, on your scalp. It gives you like amazing shine. For me, like I use it like if I have like frizzy pieces, or if I'm just like, trying to like tame the flyaways. Use it if you have an itchy scalp. I would put just like a drop on your finger and just kind of dab it on your scalp wherever it's itchy. It's amazing for that. I have no idea that you could use it as like, in that way, but you can, and you might really like the results. So highly recommend it. Also, there was something that said that it helps to protect the hair. I don't know if it meant protect it from heat styling, or if it just meant like protect from like just hairstyles and managing it in general. Because you guys know, like the more you do with your hair, the more breakage you could potentially end up with. So like wearing really tight hairstyles, all of those things. Sometimes it's just best to like leave it alone. If you're working out, light bun or loose bun, kind of looser braids, don't like try to go crazy. But I don't know. I'm trying to get my money's worth out of this $55 little thing, especially since I know how to make vitamin C serum. But with this, I don't have to make it every 2 weeks. So I don't know. I'm kind of loving it. I didn't want to, but I kind of love it. So if you'd rather just pay instead of having to do it yourself, then I highly recommend this one.